Hey guys, my name's Tyler Smith here with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft, bringing you another new piece of inventory. This is a Crest 220 DLX. This is a 2023 model. This boat was equipped with the Mercury 200 on it as well. This boat is here at MarineMax. We're going to be your one-stop shop for all your boating needs. We've got an awesome pro shop with all the tubes and boards that you need. Great finance department that'll set you up with insurance and everything. And then our service department on the back end is going to take care of you out there on the water, give you that peace of mind when you're out there. Let's take a step inside and look at some of the features. All right guys, as we step inside of the boat, we do have our awesome tow bar on the back as well as our Mercury 200. Like I said, that's going to be able to do everything that you need on the boat, wakeboarding, tubing, whatever you guys want to do. On the back, we have this awesome dual lounger setup that Crest has done. So these seats actually fold up and back, so you can have a full lounger laying out towards the back, and then also you can have this awesome seating arrangement. Really extends the seating, and you've got your cup holders there as well. As we step into the boat, we did option this with the dual helm as well, so your passenger is going to be really comfortable, kind of give you that feel, you guys both driving the boat. On our helm, this is going to be very simple and straightforward for you. We've got our Fusion audio head unit that's going to power everything. You got USB, Bluetooth, everything that you need. All your switches here, as well as your analog dials for the motor, and your Lowrance hook system, which is going to give you chart plotter, fish finder, depth finder, everything like that, and your cooled cup holder, which is a Crest staple. As we step forward into the bow of the boat, we do have our dual loungers right here. There's going to be storage underneath all these seats, so you can put away those life jackets and everything. But also, this really extends your seating arrangement. You can get a ton of people on this boat, have a great time out on the water. Again, this is a Crest 220 DLX here at MarineMax Texas MasterCraft. My name is Tyler Smith. Give me a call and we can get you squared away.